In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically send an email when an event is cancelled in Google Calendar. This is really useful if you work with clients, teammates, or students, and you want to make sure that everyone is clearly informed whenever a meeting or appointment gets called off. Instead of manually writing emails every time, you can rely on Google Calendar's own notification system to handle that for you. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed in with the account that owns the calendar you want to adjust. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a list of your calendars under the My Calendars section. Hover your mouse over the calendar you want to use, and you'll see three small vertical dots appear next to its name. Click on those three dots. This opens a quick menu with several options specific to that calendar. From that menu, look for and click on Settings and Sharing. This will take you to a dedicated settings page for that particular calendar, not your overall Google account. It's important that you're editing the correct calendar here, especially if you have multiple calendars for different teams, projects, or personal appointments. You can always confirm the name of the calendar at the top of the settings page before you continue. Now that you're in the calendar settings, scroll down until you find a section called Other Notifications. This section controls the kinds of email notifications you receive for different changes related to your events. Here, you'll see a list of notification types, such as new events, changed events, cancelled events, and maybe others depending on your account. Look for the option labeled Cancelled Events. To the right of it, there's a drop-down menu. If it's currently set to None, that means you're not getting any email when an event on this calendar is cancelled. Click the drop-down and change it to Email. Once you select Email, Google Calendar will automatically send you an email whenever an event on this calendar is cancelled. You don't have to click a separate save button. Google saves this change immediately. From now on, anytime a scheduled event on that specific calendar is cancelled, you'll receive an email notification at the address associated with your Google account. You can repeat these same steps for any other calendars you manage, making sure each one is configured exactly how you want your cancellation notifications to work.